Welcome to today's Proven Learning series. Our focus for today's session will be on understanding the significance of job dates and their role in guiding job progression throughout its life cycle. Before we begin today's sessions, let's review a few housekeeping items. All attendees have been muted during today's session to cut down on background noise. Your videos automatically are turned off during today's session to avoid any distractions. This session's recording will be available via our PSA Help Library, in addition to our company's YouTube channel. Any questions that you have during today's session will need to be directed to our PSA support team, which can be reached at support@canamsys.com. In today's learning session, we will explore the significance of job dates and their definitions, and how these dates directly influence different stages of production in a job's life cycle and its corresponding status. It is crucial to capture and enter dates into the job file as claims progress to ensure accurate data collection that can drive outcomes and influence behaviors. Dates also play a key role in generating reports within your Proven Jobs database and affect job stages and statuses managed through the Control Center. Our program relies heavily on dates, with each date playing a crucial role in advancing our jobs through various stages and driving reporting processes. By effectively utilizing these dates, you gain a clear overview of the work progression. Let's begin by exploring how to enter dates into our job files. Within the Dates tab, you can enter key dates for a claim's life cycle, starting with the loss date. Simply click on the loss field, choose the date and time using the calendar and time slider, or select Now, and then click Done. Continue adding dates based on the job progression. Keep in mind that if you don't change time, it will automatically default to midnight. The received date is auto-populated from the job creation, but can be manually overwritten. You can also disable the autofill feature in company settings by unchecking the Autofill Received Date for New Jobs option. If at any given point you need to remove a date on a job file, you can do so by select the orange minus sign beside the date. The last item that we need to address on this screen is the accounting close date. This field will get auto-populated once the job is closed. To do so, select the Close Job button. Once the button is selected, the system will ask us if we are sure we want to close the job. We will select Yes. This will now enable us to close the job. Please note that this functionality applies only to QuickBooks Synced and non-accounting synced databases. It does not apply to Proven Web and Proven Desktop Accounting Synced databases. Let's return to our Job Info tab. If a job does not proceed to completion, it may be classified as a lost job. To mark it as lost, you'll need to enter a lost code in the job file. Click on the plus button next to the lost code field. The system will prompt you to add a lost code for this job. Select Yes to proceed. Then select from the applicable lost code drop-down predefined list. The system will ask you if you want to close all open work orders. Select Yes. We demonstrated how to access the Dates tab within the job file and observe the life cycle of a claim. In our Proven Job Management Control Center, access through the Jobs tab and clicking on Control Center, we can view each job file summarily based on the entered dates. These dates in the job file within Proven Jobs Management advance each job through its stages in the Control Center. No dates have been added to the job file. Received. Dates that have been populated up to and included the received date. Inspected. Dates populated up to and included the inspected date. Pending. Dates that have been populated up to and included the pending date. Approved. Dates that have been populated up to and included the approved date. WIP, also known as Work in Progress dates populated up to and included actual start date. Completed. Dates populated up to and included actual completion. Invoiced. Invoiced dates entered but no paid date. Paid. Jobs with dates up to and including the paid dates. You will also notice a number on each stage bubble. This number indicates the total number of jobs within that stage. The dates entered at the job level have also a direct correlation with the status of a job. There are 3 statuses that can be associated to each job. These statuses are open, closed, and lost. All the jobs that have not been accounting closed are considered as open. The closed status indicates that the job has an accounting close date associated with it, meaning that the job is fully closed and cannot be edited further. The last status is lost, which indicates that jobs have been marked as lost, and automatically production closed. Proven Jobs also supports integration with Xactware and Symbility, enabling users to link critical dates between both systems. This integration ensures a seamless flow of information, enhancing efficiency and accuracy by synchronizing important data across platforms. One critical use of job dates occurs when users map XactAnalysis stage dates to or from the linked Proven Jobs job file. The company administrator must verify that the specified dates in Proven Jobs align with the corresponding XactAnalysis stage dates. To do this, navigate to Settings, Company Settings, Jobs, Edit Date Types, choose the relevant Proven Jobs job file date, and click on Edit. On the Date Type Edit screen, select the correct XactAnalysis stage from the drop-down menu and click Save. When the XactAnalysis stage is linked to the corresponding Proven Jobs job file date, the Proven Jobs job file date will be updated automatically to match the date entered in XactAnalysis. This synchronization transfers dates exclusively from XactAnalysis to Proven Jobs in a one-way direction. To automatically transmit job dates entered in Proven Jobs to XactAnalysis, you must enable the Send to XactAnalysis feature. It's important to be aware that XactAnalysis does not accept dates that are in the past. Any backdated dates sent to XactAnalysis will be recorded using the current date and time instead. Similar to XactAnalysis mapping, it is essential to ensure that dates specified within the Proven Job system are aligned with the corresponding Symbility claim dates. Currently, date types marked with an asterisk support a two-way synchronization between Symbility and Proven Jobs. Date types without an asterisk only permit a one-way sync from Symbility to Proven Jobs. To manage this, navigate to Settings, Company Settings, Jobs, Edit Date Types, select the relevant Proven Jobs job file date, and click Edit. In the Date Type Edit window, select the correct Symbility status to link from the drop-down menu, and then click Save. When the mapped Symbility status is associated with the Proven Jobs job file date, the Proven Jobs job file date will update automatically. Furthermore, you can utilize the Create Custom Date feature to assign a specific date to a document that you upload into the job file. After selecting the appropriate document to assign the date to, once it is uploaded to the job file, the custom date will automatically be set to the upload date of the document. Another critical use of date types is evident when users configure job notification settings. For example, a log template can be configured to trigger automatically once a specified date type is entered. This feature ensures that when the specified conditions, including the date type, are met, a populated log template is sent to the customer. Job dates can also act as starting, ending triggers, or both when configuring the workflow feature. To access this functionality, go to Settings, Company Settings. Under the Job section, navigate to the Job tab, scroll down to the hyperlinks, and choose Edit Workflow Setup. Once you're on the Workflow Setup screen, if you've already created one, choose the workflow to which you want to assign the dates for triggering. On the Workflow screen, if the user opts to set either the starting trigger, the ending trigger, or both based on a job date along with additional criteria that must be met beforehand, the workflow will activate. This activation allows specific actions to be executed according to the user's preferences. If you decide to create and utilize your own job statuses, the Alternative Status feature allows you to add custom job statuses to your job files within your PSA database. This functionality becomes active once you create at least one alternative status in Company Settings. Once enabled, the Alternative Status field becomes accessible in the Job Info tab's lower right corner for your team to select. When an alternative status is chosen, the system automatically logs a job note indicating the status change and the user who made the change. To set up this feature, go to Settings, Company Settings, Jobs, then scroll to the bottom and click the blue hyperlink Edit Alternative. Once an alternative status is created, it can also be associated with a job date. When an alternative status is selected for a job file, the current date and time are automatically added to the linked job date. Additionally, if you do not want to modify the alternative status manually, the user can use the Save To or Fill From options to modify it. Creating or modifying a topic feature is a great option for associating a date with it. To do this, navigate to Settings, Company Settings, Relationships, and click on the Edit Topics hyperlink. This will display the existing topics list and allow you to add a new one if needed by selecting the +Create button. Enter the topic description, which will be used in the Note tab within the job file, in a log template, or in the Workflow feature. The Save To field lets you associate the topic with a specific date, updating the date each time the topic is entered. The Date feature plays a crucial role in the electronic signature capture process, as it provides users with a comprehensive audit trail of all signing activities. This feature allows users to track and view key milestones throughout the signing process. For instance, users can see when a form was created, when it was last updated, when the signature link was generated, when it was sent to the signer, and finally, when it was signed. This detailed audit trail ensures transparency and accountability, offering a clear timeline of events for every document that requires a signature. As illustrated in this example, having a complete record of these timestamps helps to maintain the integrity of the electronic signature process and provides a reliable reference for any future queries or verifications. The Export Job List feature enables users to leverage job file fields to extract data related to job information efficiently. By entering specific criteria into the From and To fields, users can conduct a free type search to pull data based on particular requirements, such as the statuses of jobs. It includes a date range option in the report's lower section, specifically within the status section. This allows users to define a date range for jobs classified as all, open, closed, or lost. By specifying the date range and job status, users can generate a more targeted and relevant report, making it easier to analyze job data and track progress over time. This enhanced functionality ensures that users can obtain detailed and customized reports tailored to their specific needs. Another important use of dates is within the Reports feature, where you can choose to submit your report based on a specific From and To date range. Dates play a critical role in the life cycle of a job file, providing a timeline for various activities and milestones. When generating a report, selecting a date range in conjunction with other preview parameters tailored to the type of report you wish to create allows you to extract the most relevant and useful information. This ensures that the data you pull is pertinent to your specific needs, enabling a more comprehensive and accurate analysis of the job file's progress and status over the chosen period. By leveraging the Date feature effectively, users can gain valuable insights and make informed decisions based on the data associated with each job. Thank you for joining our Proven Learning Series webinar. We sincerely appreciate your active participation and hope you found today's session both informative and beneficial for your understanding of our platform. Your engagement is invaluable to us, and we encourage you to continue exploring the features and functionalities discussed. Should you have any questions, encounter challenges, or seek additional guidance on implementing what you've learned, our dedicated support team is here to assist you every step of the way. Please feel free to reach out to us at support@canamsys.com for any further inquiries or assistance you may need. Thank you once again for being a part of our learning community.